Hi, since I was in high school, I was always the type of people that likes to do modifications in my car. But in spite of that, I really hate going to workshops. The lack of transparency, standardization represents a huge pain point for me actually going to workshops. And I realized that a lot of Indonesians actually felt the same way. And so I decided to visit a lot of workshops to understand the pain point even deeper. Otoklix is an omni-channel retail model for car workshops here in Indonesia. Our vision is to empower mom and pop workshops to be tech-enabled, to create demand generation and enhance efficiency in the procurement value chain. We elevate the automotive aftermarket experience for these customers by creating market standardization in terms of pricing and quality of the products offered.
Hi, my name is Martin, CEO and co-founder of Otoklix. Me and my other two co-founders are trying to improve the automotive aftermarket here in Indonesia. As we realize that currently customers, when they want to service their car, they either go through authorized dealers or mom and pop workshops. But both options still represent huge issues or pain points for these customers. And so we're trying to empower or improve one spectrum, which is the mom and pop itself. And so we identified that currently mom and pop workshops, when they want to service their, they must go through multiple intermediaries and so procuring such in an expensive manner. Secondly, is regarding inefficient internal controls, where a lot of these transaction controls are still very manual. And finally, there's a lack of trust between customers and the workshop that has caused significant revenue decline for this workshop over the past few years. And we realize that this is a huge market as well as in Indonesia, as it contributes about 6.5 billion US dollars. And a lot of other companies have begun to identify this opportunity. But the current business model in place or the solution is not the optimal one, not solving the right problem in place. And so we arrived to our own business model, our Autoclicks business model, in which you can picture a conventional workshop, convert them to be tech-enabled, in which we install our POS system to try to capture all the customers' transaction, knowing what they're buying, where they buy it from, how much they're buying it, and at what price they are buying it for. Utilizing this data to create a more targeted marketing strategy to provide leads generation, in which we monetize about 10 to 15% from that. In addition, we also use this data to understand which procurement parts we should source, and so monetizing the procurement from 20 to 30% as well. And so trying to use this business model to improve the customer's experience. Right now, customers can book to our social media app, to our mobile app or other social media application, find the closest workshop location, choose the service that they want, which we guarantee is standardized across all workshops and is 30 to 50% cheaper. Enjoy the servicing time without needing to wait, and utilizing our 1 month warranty and also our reminder system for any future servicing needs as well. And so improving the customer's experience to provide this convenience to the customers also through a one-click process through our mobile app, providing transparency using our service history feature as well as automotive forum feature to provide this transparency as well as convenience to the customers all the way through the use of their smartphone. Not only to improve the customer's experience, but also the workshop experience as well. Trying to utilize using our BOS system, procurement platform, CRM, inventory, all in the purpose of improving the internal controls that is available or existing in the workshop itself. And fortunately enough, we have received significant positive feedbacks from both the workshop as well as the customers, where workshops are very grateful from the increasing revenue that they're actually able to receive, as well as the procurement cost savings that they can generate by partnering with Autoclicks as well. But aside from that, customers can receive the benefits from the convenience and also the transparency in terms of the price service that we perform, and so providing this security when customers wanting to service their cars as well. And over the past few months, we have grew our GMV by quite exponentially. As of February alone, we have about 1.2 million GMV, annualized is about 10 million there. And we have served about 8,700 customers across all our workshops. And we have been able to operate very profitably, in which we are maintaining about 3 to 5% net profit. And we expect that these unit economics will be able to grow even over time as we build more scale as well. And aside from just trying to grow our grow it financially, we also try to maintain or build a strong automotive background team in which we expect or we believe that relationship is key in this industry. And so leveraging from each of our employees' expertise as well as relationship to grow our company even more significantly. As we target in the next year, we're able to partner with about 300 workshops that is doing procurement as well as leads generation, and another 400 procurement only workshops in which combined both can translate to an annualized GMV for about 100 million. And we expect in the next 3 years, we can grow even more significantly, about 10 times more of that. And we don't narrow ourselves in the automotive aftermarket or car aftermarket, as there are other adjacencies that we can tap into as well as monetize. As our Otoklix envision ourselves not only to become the leading automotive aftermarket, but we want to put this mindset to customers where customers, any wrong with the car or automotive, Otoklix will come to the picture. Thank you very much.